Is there not a nobler mission than eating, drinking, and sleeping? It is difficult to get a human birth, and therefore try your best to realize in this birth. Fly on that race, woe to that man who wastes all his life in sensual pleasures. Be up and doing in yogic sadhana, you will enjoy supreme bliss. Be up and doing in Brahma Vichar, you will attain immortality, Kaivalya Moksha. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna.